How to make a story with more than one video on Instagram. Have you ever wanted to achieve something like this? Well, today we will go through the complete process of how you can post more than one video on the same story. Instagram is perhaps best known for its story option. However, if you try to post more than one video on the same story, it will not put them as the same story, but will make a list. We don't want that. To achieve the effect we want, we will use the CapCut application. Open CapCut on your phone. When CapCut has opened, tap on the New Project button. A gallery will open from which we can select a video or picture. We will select one of the videos that we want to add to the story. To load it into the project, tap the Add button located in the lower right corner. When CapCut has opened in the bottom menu, we will find the option Aspect Ratio and tap on it. Here we can choose the dimensions of our screen. We will choose the 9:16 option because it is the format that suits us for this story on Instagram. Once you have selected it, confirm everything by tapping the button in the lower right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the video and position it to make space for another one on the page. After that, tap on the back arrow located in the lower left corner. Now select the Overlay option from the menu, and then the Add Overlay option. The gallery will reopen. Now we will select the second video that we want to add and tap on the Add button in the lower right corner. Wait for the video to load. When the video has loaded, position it as you see fit. After that, on the bar below the video display, go all the way to the end of the bar. Equalize the videos by shortening the longer one by pressing the white button at the end of the tape and reducing it so that it is the same length as the shorter video. After that, all that remains is to tap on the option located in the upper right corner. We will wait for the video to be exported. When it has been exported, tap on the three dots and from the list that appears, select the Save Video option. After that, close CapCut and open Instagram. Tap the Add Story icon and select the video you made. As you can see, this way you can add two videos to the same Instagram story. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.